As a part of our Khorfakkan day tour, we got a chance to hike the Rabi Hiking Trail. This UAE hike starts at the historic Rabi watchtower. It is known as a good hiking trail for beginners. Neil and I were surprised that Gab loved it as much as we did. We are so proud of him to reach up to 1,200 meters out of the 2,650-meter trail. We just took a few stops to have some quick rest, enjoy the view, and of course, some photo ops.
He's having fun because he's got a... What's that? It's a hiking stick. Hiking stick in the form of a tripod.
Gab didn't complain at all during the hike. He's actually the one who was cheering us to go further up. But we decided to stop because the sun is about to set, and with our pace, we will not make it to the top before sundown. Our experience at the Rabi Hiking Trail made us crave for more hiking adventures and explore more of the UAE's stunning mountains, as the weather is also favorable because it's currently winter here in the UAE.
Just are about to finish our trek, everyone, and it's so tiring, especially going down.
Because
you know why it's tiring going down?
Why, Papa?
Especially if you have Gabriel on your back. This is different from other treks because usually treks going back is the easiest.
But for you, it's the hardest.
This time it's the hardest.
Aren't you proud of Gabriel Toy?
Yeah, I'm so proud of Gabriel because he reached up to... How far did you reach? How far did you reach? 1,000? 1,200 meters!
Woohoo!
Say it again, 1,200 meters.
1,200 meters.
Yeah, very good, and that's so far.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.